single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my...
The first step is always to raise the car. We're using ramps here. You can use jack stands or just drive it on a series of blocks of wood. Most important thing is to see what you're doing. So you'll be drilling some holes, removing some fasteners, so doing it on the ground makes the job a lot more difficult. Once the car is raised, then we're off to the disassembly. There are 4 7mm screws that need to be removed. First one's located at the seam of the fender and the car's rocker. Another one mid-fender, and then another single one in the back. Next step is really to clean it. So we're using a regular detailer. Depending how dirty your car is, you might have to use gunk remover. You do find a lot of tar at times. Good news is our side rocker will be covering the whole painted surface of the car. E15 screw for the back. Again, we're not fully tightening this. And the next step is really going to be to position the rocker so you get a nice seam. Most important seam is the back here. We'll notice how it matches the curvature of it. And start installing rivets. We're using a 3/16 drill bit and the standard aluminum split rivets. Panel we're drilling is the composite panel of the car. It's only about 1/8 thick, so you don't need to go all the way through with the drill. And the rest of the install is really drill and rivet. Aluminum split rivets, these create a mushroom on the back side of the rocker panel. This is really to spread the load. We do get calls at times inquiring if tap screws could be used. The answer is no. Tap screws are designed for metal. It's really important to use an aluminum split rivet, not even a standard rivet. Again, those are done for cheap. So fiberglass or composite, which is this piece on the car, is not cyclical. So we supply aluminum split rivets. Oddly enough, GM is using the same hardware also on the C7 Z06 cars. And the big advantage is that they spread the load. So it's really important to follow the procedure. These are installed every 8 to 12 inches. This is done strategically. So basically you want to spread the load throughout the whole panel. The faster you drive, the more force is generated by the side rockers. You don't want a piece flying off the car as you're running down the highway. So that's the reason why screws don't work. Two-way tape, well, is a trim piece. So those work great on badges and small trim panels. Not recommended on large rocker panels like these. Pretty straightforward going forward. There's about 14 to 16 rivets in this rocker panel, along with 4 screws. Three, I take that back, 3 screws that will be tightened the second the rivet step is completed.
Okay, tight. Just needs a wipe down.
Yep. We also did the 06 side rockers. with a full undercarriage. So you'll see it's got the signature C7 profile, which we see right here. So it has been stylized or modified to match the C6 body line. So you'll notice it's a little softer, but still the same profile on the outer edge. So it's a really clever, I guess, design to give a fresh new look to your C6. An updated look, and obviously a lot more rock protection and some aero benefits too. So if you're looking ways to upgrade your C6 and give it a whole new life, this is the way to do it.